your boy Rich.
Back outside.
What's up, folks? It's your boy Rich. Back outside. 5:55 in the morning. Just pulled up at my hunting spot. This is my first time taking my gun out this season. I'm not gonna stay out here too long. Probably about 3 hours, maybe 4. Gotta go meet up with my boy Dan. Shout out to Dan and my boy Shane. Dan said he got a hang-on stand for me. If y'all seen my last video with the spike, y'all know my hang-on stand broke. So he reached out to me. Him and Shane said they got a stand for me. And they out here, they on the same property on the other side, probably a couple miles away. Hopefully I see something pass by today. It's either 6, so I can shoot a doe or a buck. I'm not gonna shoot another young buck if I see a spike or something walk by. Even though that small 4-pointer that y'all saw me shoot in the spine, I won't even take a shot on that this time. I'm gonna just go with the flow like I always do and just see what happens. And no matter what happens, y'all gonna get this video today. First gun hunt of 2022 season. I see y'all in the woods. Got squirrels everywhere. Got me thinking it's a deer. Look up and it's a squirrel every time. I just heard another shot. I think I'm at like 6 or 7 shots now. Shout out my man Dan for the new hang-on stand. I appreciate you, Dan. My messages wouldn't send, so I'm about to head out. Good luck to you, man.